Tired of juggling endless tasks and wish you had a digital assistant? Let's turn that wish into reality by showing you how to set up Zapier and automate your workflow. First, head over to Zapier.com. That's zapier.com. Look for the prominent Sign Up button. Click that to create your free account. You can sign up using your Google account, Facebook account, or any email address. Once you're in, you'll land on your Zapier dashboard. This is where the magic happens. See that big Create Zap button? That's where we'll start building our first automation, so give it a click. A Zap connects two or more apps. The first app triggers the workflow. Let's say you want to automatically save new Gmail attachments to Google Drive. Search for Gmail in the search bar, then select it. Next, Zapier will ask you to choose a trigger event. This is what sets the Zap in motion. Select New Attachment from the drop-down menu. After selecting it, hit Continue. Now, Zapier needs permission to access your Gmail account. Click Sign in to Gmail and follow the on-screen prompts to grant access. This is a secure process. Once connected, Zapier will test the trigger. Great, you've set up the trigger. Now for the action, or what happens after the trigger. This is where we connect Google Drive. In the search bar, type Google Drive and select it. Now select an action event, which is what you want Google Drive to do. Choose Upload File and click Continue. Just like with Gmail, you'll need to connect your Google Drive account. Click Sign in to Google Drive and grant Zapier access. Next, Zapier will ask for details like which folder in Google Drive you want the files to be saved. Use the drop-down menus to specify where you want your attachments to land. Once you've configured everything, hit Test Step to make sure everything is working correctly. Zapier will send a test file to your Google Drive folder. If the test is successful, congratulations, you've built your first Zap. Now, toggle the Zap On to start automating your workflow, and that's it. Your life just got easier.